Paano mag-request ng LOA for X-ray at accredited clinic or hospital using Medicard Go app? Login ka lang ulit sa Medicard Go app mo and click Test. Afterwards, you click accredited hospital or clinics. Tapos click mo tong rectangle and then you browse your preferred clinic or hospital na accredited natin. And click Add Attachment and then upload the request form coming from the accredited doctor ng Medicard. Ito yung mangyayari, kunyari sa Asian Hospital ako, magpapa-X-ray. Ito yung doctor's request. Tapos click mo na yung sa baba, Submit Request. Then dito nakalagay kung pending approval or approved. So ako, pending muna. So nilagay dito, routed for approval muna. And sinabi nila dito na kapag within 2 hours, wala pa ring approval or any feedback kung approved or not yung ating request, so tumawag na daw tayo sa hotline ng Medicard. Binalik-balikan ko yung app. Tapos, after 1 hour, finally, kinlik ko na to. So, dito makikita nyo yung LOA transaction history at finally, approved na. You click this. And then, ito na yung itsura. So, sinasabi niya lang ulit na print daw tayo ng 2 copies and then, pirmahan mo yon bago tayo pumunta sa clinic or hospital kung saan tayo magpapa-X-ray. So, nire-remind lang tayo ulit na valid to for 3 days. So, starting today, tomorrow, tsaka sa isang araw. So, kung kailan yung day na na-approved at lumabas yung LOA, yun yung day 1 mo. Scroll down mo lang and then click Download LOA. Tapos yan yung ipiprint mo na file. So, okay na. Meron tayong LOA for X-ray. Diba? Ganun lang kadali mag-request using Medicard Go app. So, kung wala ka pang Medicard Go app, mag-download ka na din sa Play Store tsaka App Store at gamitin mo yung member code mo, yung mga numbers mo na nakalagay sa card or sa transmittal. You can browse din sa app na to yung mga contact details and then schedule sa mga accredited hospitals, doctors, clinics, and dental clinics. So, if you have other questions with regard to Medicard Go app, Medicard at kung gusto mong kumuha ng plan, please send me a message.